Hello, I am Dr. Brenda Gajowski with She Thrives Physical Therapy and Wellness, and welcome to my online workshop. This video series is designed to give you some fundamentals of reconnecting with your core and pelvic floor. So maybe you found me because you recently had a baby, congratulations, or maybe you found me because you had a baby years ago and just are still feeling some things off in your body, or maybe still having symptoms. Also a great place to be. And maybe you found me because you're having some unexplained symptoms or something going on in your body that's unrelated to pregnancy. Also, this video series will help you because these concepts that I'm going to teach you, they're what I teach every client I see, and they are general but powerful because they're universal in our bodies. It kind of just awakens us to habits that we get into that affect that design of our core and pelvic floor, right? And how to kind of get back out of those habits or out of those compensations. So even though they're universal, and I teach it to everybody, there are, of course, individual variances in all of our bodies. So as you're going through the videos, please kind of explore in your own body, digest the information, and write down your questions, because that is what is unique about this series, is that I do want you to schedule that call with me at the end so I can help to learn a little bit more about you and your story, and also answer your questions of what you may have, and maybe help you find out, okay, what are next steps, right? What's working, what's not working. So I do want you to schedule that call. I love talking through this stuff. So make sure you do that at the end of the series. So the way that you are going to see this designed is this online workshop is born out of a workshop that I have done a lot of times in my community, and it's called the ABCs of Postpartum Healing, or the ABCs of pelvic health, depending on my population. And again, then there's that universality again, that this is just connecting us back in with our deep core and pelvic floor, and the way that our body is designed for good spinal stability, pelvic stability, and good function. So the A is for alignment. So we're going to start there. The way that we hold our bodies, move our bodies in space makes a big difference on this system. So alignment, the B is for breathing, also very important. Your breathing diaphragm is actually a part of your deep core, which is your pressure control system. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. And then the C is for core connection. So I'm going to teach you just some basics on how to connect and pattern your inner core stability, okay? And also connect with your pelvic floor again, and just make sure everything is online and that your body is stabilizing from the inside out and not falling into some of these compensation patterns. So you're going to see that general lineup of the videos, and then we'll go through a couple more things and general factors of healing. So please reach out to me with any questions. Feel it in your own bodies. They're designed to be short and easily digestible, and just kind of general concepts that then we can deepen if we need to. So I hope you can use them out on a walk, or when you're feeding your baby, or when you just have a couple minutes of downtime, so you can just start exploring and thinking about this in your own body. All right, I'll see you in the first video.